Folding an electric scooter is a convenient way to make a scooter as small as possible for easier transport or storage. Although folding a scooter is quite simple, it is important to follow certain steps. In this step-by-step guide, I will show you how to properly fold an electric scooter, how to unfold it, and what to do if the folding mechanism doesn't work. There are three main benefits of folding an electric scooter. First of all, easier storage. Secondly, it's much easier to transport the scooter if it's folded. And lastly, the scooter is much easier to carry if it's folded. You should know that different scooters might have a different folding mechanisms. The folding mechanism can be clasp-based, lever-based, screw-based, or telescoping. Although scooters may have different types of folding mechanism, the process of folding is similar for all. Here is a step-by-step guide on how to fold an e-scooter. Before you start folding your electric scooter, make sure the scooter is not in use. It would be dangerous to fold the scooter while still moving it. So turn off and unplug the scooter before folding it. Most folding mechanisms have some security system, so it won't fold if you accidentally hit the folding clasp. For some scooters, you have to pull out the security screw. Other scooters have a small switch that has to be held down to be able to open the clasp. Next, you need to just open the clasp or clamp on the stem. Some clamps are very tight and you must use force to open them. For some scooters, this step might not exist, but many scooters have another security lock to prevent accidental folding. Sometimes the clamp is already open, but the stem won't fold down. Then you must look for some additional switch or button. In this case, you have to push down the clamp a bit more to unlock the last locking mechanism. Now slowly fold down the stem. Just move the steering column toward the deck. In most cases, there is some locking mechanism to fix the stem to the deck. Some scooters have a clamp on the deck and dedicated hole on the handlebar that will attach together. Then just move down the stem until you hear a click. However, not all scooters have the ability to lock the stem to the deck. Big beast scooters rarely have a such locking system. In this case, you just have to slowly put the stem on the deck, and you can't use the stem for carrying the scooter. To unfold the scooter, you basically have to do the opposite of folding. Let's unfold the scooter now. Sometimes it happens that the electric scooter folding mechanism is stuck and you are not able to fold the scooter. What to do if something similar happens to you? Here are a couple of suggestions. Sometimes some dirt or debris can block the folding mechanism. That can happen if you have been off-roading with your scooter. Just clean the area around the folding mechanism. Use a dry cloth or brush to remove any dirt that might prevent the folding mechanism to work properly. Another thing you can try is lubricating the folding mechanism. If the scooter hasn't been folded for a long time, it can get stuck. Lubricating the folding mechanism with a small amount of proper oil should fix the problem. If you still can't fix the folding problem, it would be smart to take the scooter to the repair shop. We do not recommend disassembling these components yourself, but rather take the scooter to specialized repair shop. Folding an electric scooter is an important step for storage and transportation. While there are different types of folding mechanisms, folding a scooter is a fairly easy process. By following the steps and guidelines provided in this video, you can easily fold and unfold your electric scooter. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in next videos.